Looks like my old buddy Sean. Wonder what he's up to. Hey man, what are you doing?
Out here frying. Literally. With my eggs and myself.
Man, looks like you're having a tough time getting this food cooked.
With the heat and the sun out here, I didn't even have to turn the grill on. That's what happened.
Well, hey man, I got a better way. You want to try it out?
Absolutely. Anything's better than what I'm doing right now.
What do you think, man?
Cooking in the shade in the middle of the summer. Awesome.
Imagine pulling off the trail after a long day of wheeling, and in less than 60 seconds, you've got over 120 square feet of shade and weather protection, all from one side of your rig. That's what the OPENROAD 4-wheel drive 270-degree awning delivers. This isn't your average pull-out awning. The OPENROAD 270 wraps around your vehicle, covering the entire side and rear, so whether you're cooking, lounging, or loading gear, you're protected from the sun and rain. It's built for serious overlanders and weekend warriors alike. It features heavy-duty aluminum arms that swing out and lock into place. You don't need poles, but they're included if you want extra stability. And it includes the Ripstop 600D waterproof canvas with UV protection. It won't fade or even tear after years of sun and storms. It offers quick deploy setup with a simple one-person operation, because who wants to waste time setting up camp? And it features a compact design that mounts cleanly to almost any roof rack or platform, including your Jeep's EAG rack, like mine. This awning is trail tested, tough as nails, and designed to handle wherever your Jeep wants to take you, from the Ozarks to Moab. And yeah, when your buddies are scrambling for shade or dodging rain, you're already chilling under a fortress of coverage. Take your camp setup to the next level with integrated LED lighting designed specifically for the OPENROAD 4-wheel drive 270-degree awning. Whether you're cooking after dark, setting up camp late, or just hanging out under the stars, these built-in LED light strips give you bright, even illumination exactly where you need it, across the entire covered area. Here's what makes the lighting setup a game changer. It has full-length LED strips neatly housed in waterproof channels, so there's no messy wires and no extra setup. It also has adjustable brightness and color temp, so you can go from daylight bright task lighting to soft ambient glow with the tap of a button. It's 12-volt power with plug-and-play simplicity. Just hook into your rig's power system or a portable power bank. It has low draw and high output, sufficient enough to run all night without killing your battery. It's also weather-sealed and dust-proof, built to handle the elements just like your awning itself. And the best part? With the LEDs integrated or mounted directly under your canopy, you're not fumbling with lanterns or flashlights. You just roll out the awning, flip on the switch, instant camp vibes. So don't wait until you're caught in the rain or roasting in the sun. Upgrade your campsite and your rig with the OPENROAD 270-degree awning today. With rugged build quality, fast one-person setup, and integrated LED lighting, this awning isn't just gear, it's freedom on every adventure. Grab yours now and turn any trail stop into base camp in under 1 minute. Hit the road ready, shade up, camp better. Shop now at OPENROAD4wheeldrive.com.